There are 3 words contained in the body copy. This is far too low. The keyword doesn't appear in the first paragraph of copy. You have not used your keywords key phrase in any heading in your copy. The keyword densities, which is a bit low, the keyword was found 0 times. The copy scores, which is considered difficult to read. Keyword phrase do not appear in the URL of this page. If you decide to rename, no images appear in this image, no outbound links appear in this image, consider adding some appropriate. Okay, so you see how many things I'm missing out, and if I don't know, well, there's not going to be any results. So coming back here, we can put into context. We can also, you see, page URL, missing page URL. So if I, instead of Nicole 2D animation, I can say 2D. This probably works, but it just doesn't. We have to like update it. Another plugin that it's not free, it's paid, and I prepared the link for you if you want to consider also for this one too. But for the SEO processor, I have a, as you can see, SEO presser, sorry, not processor, presser. What you enter your main keyword. So for example, here I would say 2D animation studio, right? And in here it shows this table. It shows all the elements that it just requires. So for example, score is 26%. So for example, if I do 2D animation studio, and you can see H1 tag, H2, H3. So for example, if I put this tag, oops, this, and this, if I put 2, if I put 3, and then I might just, at the end of it, I'll just add a paragraph. So 2D animation studio, 2D animation studio. If I update it, let's see how. Okay, so you can see H3 tag, H2 tag, not found because I don't know why, but H2 tag, and then it already jumps into 40%. But the problem is that the keyword density is okay. So it means basically it's too many keywords, and the keyword density should be about 1 or 3%. And if let's see what I'm gonna maybe just go in, for example, and copy this text, and I'll just paste this as a paragraph text. Okay. Paragraph, and you can see 30% now. Let's update it. And what it will do is it will spread percentage-wise. It will spread the keywords, and it's called keyword density, to a lower number. So basically, it's it's not like flooding, just spamming, but it's actually a in the text. It will be appropriate. Okay. Another thing is you do not have enough keywords to italize. You do not have keywords to underline. So what it does, as you saw here, in this case, it was bold, right? So when you type in your keywords in the body here, in the post on page, then it will take all these keywords that you selected here, and it will underline them, it will italize them, and also bold them. Okay, so if I just view the post, let's see. Okay, 2D animation studio. I think, okay, it might be just one bold. And yeah, so it bolded one time, and because the only time we had in paragraph was the underneath. So if we have more, it will bold definitely. And we can actually just preview this. Let's see. Oops. That's my keyboard. It's a wireless, so that's why. And update it. Let's look at what we have. Pages. Okay, as you can see, I didn't create any spaces in many of those, so that's why it's funny looking. Again, update it, and now we can refresh, and you can see it will bold, it will underline, italize, or italic, so maybe italize. It will, okay, so bold, italize, underline here, bold here. Cool. Alright, so we have keyword density score 56% instead of 30, and we have most of them. Also, you do not have an image with alt tag, and I use another plugin or theme, a WordPress theme, Optimize Press, that when I put the blog, for the blog, I have a blog post option, and I just post a message. And I think if I go to blog, yeah, I didn't allow it yet, but because there isn't, but that's what the image is. And I have another, I'm helping my Lithuanian friends. I have one that is okay, so you can see the same blog. We have images and we have the read more. And if I translate this, okay, read more, helmets, blah blah blah, and that's it. Alright, so here is definitely Yoast WordPress SEO. You can just go into plugins. When you go into plugins, you just add new, and then you search for Yoast SEO plugin, or you just search for Yoast. You can search both. So you search for the Yoast SEO plugin, install that. You'll need the password for your FTP if you want to install it through the WordPress, and then just go into settings. Of course, in the settings here, generally type in your title and description of your blog, but then any post or any pages, make sure you do at least the free one, the SEO WordPress plugin. And if you really want to take this to a new level, that gives you a, I'm like, it's definitely changed my thinking and changed the way I perceive the SEO for blogs. And then you can definitely get good results with your blogging. And you know, when you spend, I mean, like, you just spend maybe, you know, what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes more than general, but the value and the result that you get, it's a huge improvement. Okay, so here it is, WordPress SEO by Yoast, and update or details, you can download it. And also the processor, that's one of the coolest plugin that I also used, and just changed the way I structure my pages. And when I rank it in the search engine, so when I look at it, it actually finds the keywords that I'm intended to find. Sometimes when you enter into Google Keyword Tool the URL that you're trying to rank for specific keywords, it just shows you different I mean, like, it's still relevant, but it's like not the keywords that you want. So definitely make sure you install SEO plugin. If you would like to, you can buy the SEO presser. I have the link below the video. And then happy blogging, and definitely get results. Alright, so this is Reiki Puska. If you want more information, or if you want more videos about WordPress and general marketing on the internet, make sure you visit my blog reikipuska.com, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.